Welcome back. I'll be showing you how to make a healthy cornmeal swallow that is high in fiber and some other health benefits, so stay tuned. So to make this cornmeal swallow, you can decide to make your homemade cornmeal flour at home by using your popcorn kernel, blend it into a fine powder, then use it, or you can buy your store-bought flour. You can also check out my video on how to make your homemade cornmeal flour. This cornmeal fufu or swallow, I'll be adding about 2 cups of water into the pot. This is not boiled water. So I'm going to add the cornmeal flour. So I'm going to pour the cornmeal into the water, stir to dissolve, and I'll be stirring from time to time until it has thickens. It can take up to 10 or 15 minutes to cook properly. At this stage, continue to stir to prevent lumps. Make sure that you are using a low heat so that you can cook gently. So as the mixture thickens, you can notice if you want it to be more softer by adding little water. It depends on the texture of the cornmeal. So I'm going to add little water. This water will help to cook it more and also to soften the cornmeal fufu. So I'm going to cover the pot and allow it to steam for about a minute. Then I'll open the pot and continue stirring. So at this stage, if you are okay with the texture of the cornmeal fufu, you can turn off the heat and serve. Finally, the cornmeal fufu or swallow is ready. I can notice that the texture of this cornmeal fufu is different from the store-bought cornmeal flour. And you can enjoy this cornmeal fufu with any soup of your choice. I hope that you try this cornmeal fufu or swallow because this is a healthy swallow because it is a good source of vitamin B2, good source of fiber, low in fat and low in sodium. I hope that this video is helpful. Thank you all for watching.